Hello? Yep, we've made it. We've made it. It's finally here. G'day, it's Craig from KickAss Products, and look what I've got here. This is our latest toy. A lot of people said, hey Clayton, we've already got a DC-DC charger. It's in the system. We just want a battery box. Well, we've listened, and look what we've done. We've made you a battery box. First off, let's start with the USB plugs. We have our standard USBs, and then we've got our quick charge 3s. So that's going to be awesome for, things like your mobile phones and iPads and stuff like that. Anything smartphone wise. Then we have our 2 cigarette lighter sockets, so you can run all the devices that you normally run off a cigarette lighter socket. I mean, KickAss light kit's a great one, for instance. I'm charging off USB one of our KickAss torches, so it's absolutely fantastic for that. You've got your main kill switch, you've got your voltmeter to keep an eye on what's going on. You've also got your high output for running inverters, or if you need to do an emergency jump start. You've got your 4 extra Anderson connectors to run your ins and outs and solar in and whatever you want to do, and plus the 2 on the back that can go, make your installation really nice and neat and tidy. These things are built like a brick house. They're made out of ABS plastic, the same stuff they make Lego bricks out of, for Christ's sake. And we know how tough that is, don't we? Okay, let's have a quick sneak peek at the stuff you don't see and have a look at this, what the engineering team have done. I mean, we've got our resettable circuit breakers. This is going to protect all your cigarette light sockets, all your USBs, all your Anderson plugs. The only thing it isn't going to protect is the high current plug, but that's because of the reasons of using it for inverters and recovery starting, stuff like that. Look at the thickness of the wiring. Look how neat everything is. This is what's all under the cover. This is the stuff you don't see. I can guarantee no one else on the market goes to this extreme. It's typical KickAss style. We'll have a look inside the base now. This will actually fit most of your 4-wheel drive batteries on the market, like your N70 style batteries. Obviously your KickAss 120 amp hour batteries is perfect for it. We do have a battery tie down, so that'll actually keep the battery tidy, as well as a great little invention we've done. We've got some little sticky pads in the bottom here. So we've got 4 of these sticky pads. These are absolutely great. They'll keep the battery box in the bottom. Comes in really handy and stops your battery from shaking around. There we go, it just folds over. Velcro's in there, look at that, how easy. So here it is, you asked for it, the KickAss battery box. And don't forget, there is a whole heap of optional accessories you can buy. I mean, our mini power box. You can use that to actually expand all your inputs and your outputs to make it even more versatile. We've got our emergency recovery cable kit in case you need to do a recovery start. We've got the inverter cable kit that you can run all your inverters off too, depends how big your battery is. This can take a big battery. So don't forget, we've got all your 12-volt solutions. I mean, we've got solar panels, we've got wiring kits, we've got fridges, inverters, I mean, you name it. Head over to the website and check them out. Cheers. Okay, if you enjoyed that video, give us a thumbs up. Hey, even if you didn't, give us a bloody thumbs up anyway. Click on the subscribe button, hit the bell for notifications, and once again, thanks very much for watching. We really appreciate it. You repper.